good. May I talk to you? I actually have some questions for you.
Well, yes, of course, you can talk to me, and I'm really over the moon to talk to you.
So, what's your name?
My name is AFRA Ibnad, but you can call me AFRA because it's my nickname.
My name is SAMIHA, so you can call me SAMIHA. And what's your hobby?
Okay, I have a lot of hobbies. If I talk about one, that will be bookworm. So I really like to read books, and I have a lot of books in my collection, but recently I'm reading a Japanese book. The name of the book is Toto-chan, but little sorry because I can't really pronounce the writer's name because it's a Japanese name, so you can understand, right?
Yeah. I have also read a lot of Japanese books like Ikigai. Do you know about this one?
Yes, I know about the book. Actually, I'm gonna read the book.
Yeah, you should read it. I suggest you of reading it.
Okay, so do you have a lot of books in your collection, right?
I do. I actually have a lot of books. I usually read books in my free time, like Atomic Habits, Ikigai, The Good Girl's Guide to Murder, and a lot of fictional books.
Actually, I have heard about the books, and I really want to read the books.
You should, actually. It's worth reading.
Okay, so
what's your best quality?
I have a lot of qualities. Actually, one of my best quality is that I'm a quick learner. Actually, why I'm saying I'm a quick learner because I can learn things more fast than the other students, and I can catch things more fast.
That's really impressive, actually. That's a good quality.
Actually, that's so helping in your higher studies because, in higher studies, it's so hard to catch the lectures.
Yeah, we have to learn quickly.
Yes, if you are a quick learner, then it will be easy for you in higher studies.
Exactly, so.
Yes.
If you can change one thing about yourself, what would it be?
Oh, that's very sad. If I can change one thing about myself, that would be laziness. And you know why I'm telling about this? Because I'm very lazy sometimes, like when I have a lot of homeworks, but I feel lazy and I delay off that work.
I have the same problem too, so I'd like to change it
yes,
too.
If I can't change anything about myself, so I would change that thing that I'm a lazy person. A little lazy, not a big lazy person, but a small amount of laziness in myself.
Yeah. So, do you have any pets?
No, actually, I'm a very pet lover and very animal lover. I really like to love animals and all. But I had a pet which was a cat. Her name was Miko, but she died unfortunately.
Oh, I'm so sorry for that. I also love cat, but my mom doesn't allow me to have them.
Okay, that's a common problem in our country, I guess.
We all have same problems. Like there are so many people I heard about it.
Okay, my mother once, she didn't like any cats and animals, but after I brought my cat, she loved it like her child and all. It will be like used to when you have a pet. She would it will be a family.
Yeah, also. It's like a family member of ours too. So, what's your favorite flower?
I have a lot of favorite flowers, but one of them is tulip. You know about tulip, there is a lot of many variants of colors in tulip, and I don't know, sometimes it feels like so aesthetic and all.
Yeah, they're really aesthetic and I love them too.
But it changes sometimes. Sometimes it's like rose, sometimes it's a lily, water lily and all. But one of my favorite is water lily too.
Yeah, that's a pretty flower actually.
Yes.
So, if you could go back to past, which time would you go?
I think I will go to the time 2019, and I think why I'm talking about that, because in 2019 I was in class 4, and I guess till that time, from class 1 to class 5, I was a very good student and I had a very good marks, and that time we used to play in grounds in evening, a childhood memory that course and all. But after that, after 2019, we had faced coronavirus, COVID-19.
Yeah.
So after that, our life changed. We became so busy. We became busy in phone and everything. So after that, our childhood, I guess, ended there, and I really miss my childhood. And
I also like to go back there because that's the most favorite time actually.
Yeah.
So that was all. Thank you for giving me your time.
Oh, thank you very much for talking to me.